Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iCloud storage full problem. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, before deleting anything, identify what is hoarding your storage. So to find out, go ahead and open up your settings app right here. And then go ahead and tap on your name at the very top. And then go ahead and tap on iCloud. And once done, you'll be able to see a colored bar right here if you have the backup enabled, just to see what takes up the most space, usually photos, backups, or messages. Now, to clear the big three storage culprits, you can go ahead and delete all devices backups. Let's say you're in the settings, okay, and you have enabled the iCloud backup. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and then look for all devices under the list inside this one. All right, you can go ahead and tap on the old device or devices and then select turn off and delete from iCloud. That's it. You'll be able to clear a ton of storage from doing that. Now, another option is by cleaning up your photo library. As we all know, photos and videos from our iPhones take the largest chunk of data. Now, you can go ahead and use Apple's automated cleanup tool. Now, you'll be able to see the recommended section. All right. You can tap on it and then go ahead and find the option. Again, if your iCloud is enabled, from here, Apple will automatically group duplicate photos, large videos, and screenshots for quick deletion. Now, if you don't have that feature, just don't worry. You can just go ahead over to your photo library and delete photos and videos from here. Also, do not forget to empty your trash, right? You just go ahead and scroll all the way down right here, and you'll find utilities right here, recently deleted. All right, so tap on it, then view album, enter your passcode, and then if there are photos and videos right here, delete them all as well. All right, now on to the next method or option. Go ahead and clear large message attachments. Let's say you went over to settings right here. All right, and then went to iCloud, and then in here, we have general. All right. Now go ahead and go to iPhone storage. Now go ahead and find messages right here in the list, just like so. Now you'll be able to see all the data eaten by the messaging app. If you have the option right here, review large attachments, well, you can just go ahead and tap on it and delete them. All right. Basically delete heavy videos or photos from individual threads without losing your actual text conversation. Now, lastly here, we would need to go ahead and prevent iCloud from filling up again. So how do we do that? First up, let's go back to iCloud or settings, then our name right here, iCloud. And then again, from here, manage account storage, okay? When you go ahead and tap on manage account storage, you'll have backups. Now go ahead and select your current device and then listen closely. Toggle off apps you don't need cloud backups for, like WhatsApp. All right. Let's go ahead over to see all right here. You'll be able to see it. See all. Then let's say you have Messenger, any other apps like you have WhatsApp. All right. You can just go ahead and disable it. Disable all the apps that you don't need a backup for. And by the way, if you want more storage, well, you can just go ahead and easily upgrade from here, okay? Upgrade for more storage so that you don't have to worry about full storage anymore, okay? So you have 2 terabytes a month from here as well. So that is it. That is how you fix iCloud storage full problem. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.